Hi guys. because it's healthy, nutritious, organic and vegan. The link to buy this is in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. Second option is you can have 30 grams of roasted makhanas or 30 grams of roasted peanuts. But make sure they are not salted and any kind of oil is not added to this. You can either add makhana to your diet or peanuts and enjoy a tasty delicious snack. Proceeding towards dinner options for belly fat loss. And the first option will be soup. Now you can have lemon coriander soup. The recipe is written up on my channel, and here is the complete recipe for lemon coriander soup, which contains very less ingredients to follow the recipe and also is super delicious in nature as well. Hardly takes 10 minutes to prepare this soup and keeps you satiated for a longer time of the day as well. You can enjoy this warm soup for your dinner. And the second option will be you can have either good full bowl of fruits which contains all the seasonal fruits of it, which can even have half a banana, or you can have guava, orange, apple, berries, strawberries, whatever is available with you, and incorporate some seeds over it as well, which is pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and some nuts to it. You can also add some grated coconut over it for skin benefits and hair benefits too. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink option. For bedtime drink, I'll be giving you two options. The first option is my personally favorite chamomile tea. Now 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea helps you to relieve all the stress of the entire day and also to give you good sleep benefits too. This tea has been seen proven results all over the world because it is so good in nature and also keeps you calm and stress-free throughout the night. You can enjoy the benefits of this tea, and the link to buy is given in the description box below. Second option is if you cannot have this, you can always have either cinnamon tea or you can have ajwain water. Both work amazing to reduce your appetite and also to give you good weight loss benefits too. Ajwain helps you to remove all the water retention and digestive issues as well, and helps you to remove all the bad toxins too. Please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail with this diet plan to give you good hydration benefits and also to remove all the bad toxins super easily. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like this video, please like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or any of the diet plans. I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, time transformations and weight loss hacks as well. You can even follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box below, and see what I eat in a day and how my diet goes each and every day. And I'll see you in my next one. Then stay healthy and stay fit always.